Thanks for joining us today. We're going to be working on something that I absolutely hate the most. This is the thing I hate doing the most on all buses. I would rather work on toilets than work with glass. But today, we are replacing this windshield. All right, now that we got the window off, we're gonna blow out the bottom frame right here. And we're gonna tuck in some GPS trackers and anything else that comes out. And we're gonna look to make sure that there's no broken pieces or glue where somebody's tried to glue it. We're gonna get that out. And then, after we clean the track, for this rubber, as you can see, this rubber is kind of aged. It's a little dry. It is a little pliable, but it's still a little dry. You can use soapy water, but the problem with soapy water, where we are in North Carolina right now, it's hot, humid. The soapy water dries real fast while you're working the window. You want something that's gonna add moisture to it. And the best thing that I found to do it is I sneak into my wife's cabinet and I steal one of her things of what is this, Bath and Body Works? And today's flavor is gonna be 1,000 Wishes. You have to be careful using this method, because if you come home smelling like 1,000 Wishes, your wife or girlfriend may be questioning what you're actually doing at work, so. Actually putting the glass in is really not the hard part. Well, it can be. Most of the time the hard part is putting the locking rubber in, depending on the condition of the rubber. They make a tool for it, but in my experience, the tool is not very good unless you're working with new rubber. I like to use my handy dandy screwdriver. So these clips right here hold on the bottom valance. We got all the bolts out except this one over here. This one broke. So we've already drilled and re-tapped that hole so that we can put the valance on correctly. When you're putting these windshield wipers back on, it's important to check them. And so this blade right here can swivel, but if you look right here, do you see how wore out this socket is on the end of that wiper blade? Like you can see how wore out it is right there. So we will order this man a new wiper arm. That's basically how we do a window on a D-coach. If you like this kind of content, let me know. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you on the next one.